So here's the thing. If all you needed was a vision board to manifest your dreams, then everyone who has made a vision board or a dream board would have all their dreams come true. And we all know that's simply not the case. And I don't understand why you'd think that. The Secret did a fantastic job of convincing us that just cutting out a picture of your dream home and sticking it on a piece of card is all that it takes. And hey presto, dream home. Even Oprah has told you to make a vision board. But the reality is, making a vision board on its own can keep you trapped because you're thinking it works when in fact it's just keeping you stuck. So let me ask you, is that Ferrari on your driveway yet? Are you living in the home of your dreams? Have you just returned from that tropical island getaway? Now here's the truth. If you don't change your vibration and your frequency, a vision board on its own is useless. You can cut and stick pretty pictures to your heart's content, but you will become even more frustrated, lose faith, and your dreams will fade away. So what even is a vibration or a frequency? It's your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings around the things you put on your board. Are you even in alignment with your vision? Are you being honest with yourself about what you really want? So now you have a choice. Continue with your old way of making a vision board, lining up the magazines, cutting out the pictures of the things you think you want, or you can tune into your heart's and soul's true desires. What is really important in your life? How do you really want to feel? What is your soul craving right now? This is what should be on your vision board, and the rest will follow.